Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another LibreOffice Writer and I will discuss today some of the important features of LibreOffice Writer like Fontwork, spelling check, comment and also find and replace. So how to insert or how to use these features I will discuss one after another through LibreOffice. In LibreOffice Writer, I will discuss elaborately. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through LibreOffice Writer application, I will discuss these 4 different features which is present within LibreOffice Writer like Fontwork, how to insert comment, how to do the find and replace operation and also how to check spelling. So go to the computer screen. I will discuss one by one elaborately. Okay. So friends, I am just within the LibreOffice Writer. Now here I am discussing 4 different operations, or you can say 4 different features like Fontwork, like spelling check, like how to insert comment and also find and replace operation. Okay, so I will discuss one after another elaborately step by step. Okay, so at first just we go for Fontwork operation. Okay, so in that case we just go to the insert menu, just click on that and there is the option Fontwork, just click on that. So there are lots of Fontwork style are provided to there like 3D view or some different way the style is given into there. Suppose we choose one of them, suppose we choose this one, okay, Hulk, and just press OK. Just come into that particular Fontwork here. Now we want some text for user defined concern because this is a by default given Hulk. Now we want to put our text into there, so just double click on that. So in that case we just remove the default text and write our own text. Suppose we write here Technical Arquen, just my channel name, and after what we do, either we can just click on the blank space or press escape. Okay, so just press escape from the keyboard, just see what happened. We just got the text whatever we had choose or we had just typed Technical Arquen into there. Okay, so in that way the Fontwork actually act into there. Where is the option insert and there is a given Fontwork is there. Okay, so this is the first feature whatever I have shown just. Okay, now go for the second operation, how to check the spelling or how to insert a new word within the dictionary within this LibreOffice Writer. Okay, suppose we just write my name Arnab Kundu. So what happened, these names are proper noun, so that's why this name is not put within the dictionary whatever the provided by the LibreOffice Writer. So if we want to put this two text Arnab and Kundu, if we want to put this within the dictionary, so then what we can do, so in that case we just go to the tools, then the option is spelling. Okay, just click on there and then just given not in the dictionary, Arnab Kundu is given to there. So what we do, add to dictionary, just put into that. These 2 words are not put into the dictionary, the symbol is just given, just underlined with some red symbol. Okay, so if you just increase the font size, just you can see some underline is provided within these 2 text, just red color. That means these 2 texts are not put within the dictionary, are not as a word of the dictionary is concerned of this LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so in that case we just go for tools, just choose spelling and then already given Arnab Kundu not in the dictionary. So if we want to put these 2 words or insert into the dictionary, just add to dictionary, just click into there. Okay, and then what happened, again Kundu is there, again add to dictionary and OK, and then close. Just see Now after that, whatever you will write Arnab Kundu, there is no underline, the red underline is not given to there. Why? Because these two words are already provided to there. Suppose another name is given, suppose put Sujoy Shah, just see, to have the underline. Why? These two words is not inserted within the dictionary or not added into the dictionary. Same way, if you want to add this, tools, spelling, Sujoy, add to dictionary, Shah, add to dictionary, yes, okay, close. Just see, Sujoy Shah is also not put underlined with some red color. So in that way we can insert any text which is not put into the dictionary or any word which is not present within the dictionary. We can put this word within the dictionary within the LibreOffice Writer. Okay? And also suppose we can write like category. If we write the wrong spelling, what happens? Just see. This is the wrong spelling of category, C-A-T-A-G-O-R-Y. Actually the spelling is C-A-T-E-G-O-R-Y, and put a space. What happened? Just see, the underline is given. So same way, we just go to tools, spelling, and the correct is category. Just choose into there and correct, yes, and close. Just see, the correct category spelling just come into there. So in that way we can check the spelling, or we can insert the word which is not present within the dictionary in that way. I hope you have understood the second feature, which is how to check a spelling and how to insert that. Okay. Now third feature or option is that find and replace. Okay. So find and replace, like what it is. Suppose we write a line at first. Suppose write my name is Arnab Kundu. I have a YouTube channel named Technical RON. Okay, so YouTube doesn't have this word within the dictionary, so that's why I put this underline. This word is not put into there in that way, that's why this underline is given. Already told how to put the word within the dictionary. So now we just, what happens, just right click into there and just ignore all. So we have put some text into there. My name is Arnab Kundu. I have a YouTube channel named Technical RON. Okay. Now we want to replace some word with another word. So in that case, what we do? In that case, we just go to the edit and the option is find and replace. This option is there. Just click onto there. Find. Suppose we put here the word, suppose put here Arnab and replace it by suppose Anindita. Okay, and replace all. Again another Kundu and suppose replace it with some another word Ghosh. So where the Kundu is there, just replace by Ghosh, and where the Arnab is there, just replace by Anindita. Now close it. Just see Anindita Ghosh coming to there into the place of Arnab Kundu, because before what happened, there is a Arnab Kundu is there. Now in that part just come the Anindita Ghosh. Okay, another word, suppose we are right here Coco. Okay, now suppose we want to replace that word. So in that case, just go to edit, just go find and replace. Same way, just write into the find part Coco, and suppose we write here as replace as RON for example. So whatever the Coco is there, just replace by the word RON. So replace all. If you do this replace all, whatever this word is present within the total document, all places the word Coco is replaced by RON. Okay, and just press close it. Just there is no more Coco. The name is just replaced by RON. Okay, so this is the third feature, find and replace. So find the word and replace by the another word. So it may happen sometimes we need to do that. The document have lots of word, same word actually, and we want to replace it. So in that case we choose this option, find and replace. Okay, so this is our third feature. Okay, now I just described the fourth feature, which is how to insert a comment. Right, suppose in that line the argument is given, we want to put a comment into there. Now we can insert this comment two way. Either go to the insert and there is the option comment, or in the standard toolbar there is the option is insert comment. Just click into there. So some window is there. Suppose you write here YouTube channel name is Technical Artwork. So in that way we can put some comment into there. Suppose in that line also you can put the comment, suppose in that line. So just click into there and then suppose choose insert and comment into there. Same way, suppose right here Arnab Kundu and put a full stop. So in that way we can put the comment within the any document, any line or any paragraph, whatever you want. Okay, so I hope you have understood today's 4 different features or operation which is present within this LibreOffice Writer. One is Fontwork, another is find and replace, another is how to insert comment, and also how to check spelling. If the word is not present according to the proper noun is concerned, you can put the word within the dictionary, within the LibreOffice Writer is concerned. So I hope you have understood today's video and also today's topic on LibreOffice Writer. If you have some doubts or any problem, just write in the comment section. Today's video is concerned, I will try to solve this problem. If you still not subscribe my channel, just subscribe it, like it, share it. Also comment in the comment section for whatever you want to see in my channel. Keep watching Technical Artwork for upcoming videos and new topics. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.